Are you tired of having troublesome acne and skin blemishes, or maybe overly spending on products on the store shelves that are packed with chemicals and over-processed ingredients? My name is Maya. I'm the owner and creator of the Naturally Me skincare line. The business began in 2016 when my child was born with a skin concern called eczema that I wanted to treat naturally. The doctors really couldn't treat him since he was so young of age, so I knew I needed to experiment with oils, butters, and maybe essential oils. I wanted to know and be aware of the products and the ingredients I was using on my child's skin. In the stores, I was quite overwhelmed with the product overload that really weren't aimed towards the needs that I was looking for and the natural ingredients that I could possibly understand on the back of each product on the show. I decided to do a trial run of my company in 2020. Skincare industry statistics show that the industry is expected to grow from $4.75 billion in 2019 to about $7.2 billion by 2024. 67% of consumers between the ages of 18 and 29 prefer to purchase natural or organic skincare, followed by 59% of consumers ages 30 to 59 and 43% of consumers ages 60 and older. My target market are Millennials and Gen Z, as pictured on the slide. Where we'll engage and interact is Facebook and Instagram. Surveys show that demographically, 76% of ages 18 to 24-year-olds and 84% of ages 25 to 30-year-olds use Facebook. More than half of Instagram population worldwide is 35 years and younger. We want to take these platforms to educate about our product benefits more efficiently in real time by creating live videos. We also want to use these platforms for open discussion, customer reviews, and testimonials. The solution you are looking for is here in our skincare. We have nourishing skincare that's natural with a simpler ingredient list that's easy to understand and use to control those out of control breakouts, skin blemishes, and unhealthy skin habits. Our aim is to bring back that healthy, radiant, and youthful skin to help exude self-confidence to be able to walk into the room and steal the attention. We also want to pour motivation into that person that may lack the creative skill set to begin learning more natural skincare practices to stick to and create a more personalized skincare regimen. Your next steps is to go onto our website, take the skincare quiz, and receive a free skincare consultation with one of our experts. That way you'll be able to sign up to begin receiving your monthly themed subscription spa box filled with ingredients to help your creativity begin. We are planning as a company to create weekly video content for DIY recipes to help our followers to make each creation precisely. Twice a month, we'll go live to discuss with our followers the benefits and do a Q&A forum just to place faces and personalities with the brand. Any hashtag, the Naturally Me, will help to keep customer reviews and mentions on our business pages and on both Facebook and Instagram. The resources that we'll need will be a camera, computer, editing software, and a tracking system to make sure that we're on our business pages are popping up in the search engines, and we'll also use a counter to determine how many potential customers are coming to the site following our business page. Our goals are for the quarter, we want to aim to prepare new ideas for our monthly theme spa boxes, and we'll also want to gain 50 new monthly subscribers. This year, in 2021, our biggest goal is to obtain 150 continued monthly subscribers for our theme spa boxes. Our scorecard goal as a company is 150 purchases, 25 inquiries, 50 connections, and 100 downloads from our business page to our website. We plan to revisit our goals every quarter to make sure we are staying on track to reach our yearly goal of 150 continued monthly subscribers. Thank you for watching and hope to see you on the Naturally Me.